This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in this video but you do not understand the Shona language, you can check in the comments section. There you are going to find a link which takes you to a similar video which has been recorded in the English language. Thank you. Tiri kuenderera mberi nequestion paper redu June 2016 ZIMSEC Ordinary Level Mathematics number 14. Question iri kuti, given that r is equal to 9 times 10 to the power 6, evaluate, leaving the answers in standard form. Part A, 2r, then b r squared, and c the square root of r. Saka panapa toda kuita part A. Taudzwa isusu kuti r is equal to 9 times 10 to the power 6. So we need to evaluate it. Then answer yedu tichada kuzoiexpressa in standard form. Saka evaluation chaitika panapa. 2r yava equal to 2 multiplying 9 times 10 to the power 6. So chiripo panapa manje ndechekuti chataita tasubstituta pana r taisa 9 times 10 to the power 6. Saka 2r yava 2 times 9 times 10 to the power 6. Iyi hainetsi because tichangoti 2 times 9 ndiani ndi 18. So it's 18 times 10 to the power 6. Chii chataita apa chiripo apa ndechekuti 2 multiplying 9 times 10 to the power 6 yakangofanana nekuti 2 times 9 times 10 to the power 6. Saka tinogona kumultiply 2 times 9, tinogona kumultiply 2 times 10 to the 6, togona zvakare kumultiply 9 by 10 to the 6. Izvi zviri kutoredzera pakuti tikati a times b times c, tinogona multiply a na b ikaita ab times c, oro togona multiply b na c ikava a times bc. Saka we chose to multiply 2 times 9 kuti tiwane 18 times 10 to the power 6 because toda kusiya 10 to the power 6 yakadaro. Since question yedu yati we should give our answers in standard form. Tiri panapa manje, we cannot leave our answer as 18 times 10 to the power 6 because 18 times 10 to the power 6 is not in standard form. So maybe we need to explain the standard form briefly. What is the standard form? We have a video which we recorded which explains the standard form more deeply. Panapa toda ngopa a brief explanation. Saka kana tichiti standard form ndekuti we are expressing numbers in this form a times 10 to the power n. A yedu e should be a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So azurungoreva nezvekuti a should be a single digit number. Kubva pana 1 kusvika pana 9. A hakwanisi kuva 10, a hakwanisi kuva 11, etc. Saka izvi zvakutodisqualify 18 times 10 to the power 6 because 18 is greater than 10. I satisfy this condition. Then n yedu should just be a whole number. The power should be a whole number. Saka panapa takuti this is equal to 18e toda kuexpressa in standard form. Saka zviri kuitika pano ndezvekuti tine koma iri panapa even though isina kunyorwa but tinayo. Saka koma yedu should move 1 decimal place kuti iuye panapa so that we have, that is my brackets, 1,8 times 10 to the power 1 because kana koma yedu ichimova from the right towards the left, sezvari kuita panapa, this is the movement of the comma, our power is going to be positive. Saka 1,8 times 10 to the power 1, which is simply 1,8 times 10, ndiyo inotipa 18. So this is true. 1,8 times 10 to the power 1 divided times 10 to the power 6. Saka tatarisa our answer. Taona kuti it's 18 times 10 to the power 6. Taona kuti it's not a number in standard form because 18 does not satisfy this condition yokuti a should be between 1 and 10. Saka nekudaro tava tati let us express 18 in standard form. Ikaona iri 1,8 times 10 to the power 1 to the power 1. 1,8 times 10 to the power 1 times 10 to the power 6. Then panapa takuda kuapply a law of indices inotaura ichiti if the base is the same, kureva kuti kana tiina a to the power b multiplying a to the power c, if the base is the same, the powers are going to add a to the power b plus c. So applying it here tiri kuti tavana 1,8 times 10 to the power 1 plus 6 kutoredzera kupi uku kuti kana mabases are the same, our powers are going to add. Therefore our final answer is going to be 1,8 times 10 to the power 7. That is our final answer. 2r is equal to 1,8 times 10 to the power 7 in standard form. Let us go on to the second part of our question. The second part of our question iri kuti titsvage r squared. Saka tichaita zvatamboita, we are going to substitute r with 9 times 10 to the power 6 kureva kuti r squared inenge iri bracket 9 times 10 to the power 6 squared. Then yadai so much, we need to express it in this way. 9 times 10 to the power 6 multiplying 9 times 10 to the power 6. Tainyora in this way much, takungoti chi 9 times 9 times 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power 6. Zvada kuita. So izvi manje zviri kubvepi? Togona kudemonstrate so kuti tikati a times b, a times b. Saka panapa zvirongoreva izvo kuti a togona kuti a times b times b still ichangobuda iri chi a squared b squared. So tikada kumultiply panapa manje takuti 9 times 9 ndi 81 times 10 to the power 6. Then tichapply that law of indices yataapply pataweka a. Since this is the same base, 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power 6, the powers are going to add. So we have 81 times 10 to the power 12. Tiri panapa, looking at here, summarize the standard form. Taona kuti a should be between 1 and 10. As a yedu panapa, it's actually 81. So to correct that, we have to express 81 in standard form separately. But maitiro chaita manje ndekuti koma ichabva panapa chiuya uku. Since it's moving from the right to left, our power is positive. Therefore, it's 8,1 times 10 to the power 1 times 10 to the power 12. We already learned kuti panapa it's 8,1 times 10 to the power 1 times 10 to the power 12. Applying that law of indices, zoreva kuti 8,1 times 10 to the power 1 plus 12, which gives us a final answer of 8,1 times 10 to the power 13. This is how part B is solved. Chitai part C yokupedzisira. So part C iri kuda kuti titsvage the square root of r, of which the square root of r, it's the square root of substituting r 9 times 10 to the power 6. To solve part C, we need a working knowledge of maths. Saka since taona kuti is the square root of 9 times 10 to the power 6, zoreva izvo kuti this is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 10 to the power 6. That is it. The square root of 9 times the square root of 10 to the power 6. Izvi zvabvepi? Zvabva pamasads. Tofanira kuziva kuti the square root of ab is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. So since I get the square root of 9 times 10 to the power 6, zvoreva kuti it's equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 10 to the power 6, of which the square root of 9 is 3 multiplying the square root of 10 to the power 6. Ndiyani? Takuda kuziva kuti what is the square root of 10 to the power 6. So we need a single number yekuti ikazvimultiplier inotipa a million, because 10 to the power 6, remember, it's equal to a million. Saka panapa tikatora, for example, 1,000 multiplying 1,000. Of course, this is going to be a million. So panapa, we are saying the square root of 10 to the power 6, it's 1,000. Saka finally our answer is 3,000. 3 times 1,000. But hatisi kuda kumultiply 3 times 1,000 for the simple reason yekuti 3 already satisfies the conditions of a. 3 is between 1 and 10. Saka we just have to convert 1,000 into a power of 10. Tenge tatonyora our answer in standard form. Kurava tikati 3 times 1,000 will be 10 to the power 3. The power being the number of mazero. So for part C, which is the square root of r, we have our answer as 3 times 10 to the power 3. If you have any questions pamawekero ataita, you are free to ask in the comments section. If you have any other ordinary level mathematics questions, be it Cambridge, ZIMSEC, or any other paper, you are also free to ask. You can send the questions directly to me, that is Matarisa, the details which are listed in this YouTube channel, or you can copy and paste the question in the comments section, and I'm sure to attend to those questions. Whenever vabatsirika, please subscribe, share, and like, so that the same help can be available to others who might be in the same need. Thank you for watching.